HubSpot Popup form. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to HubSpot.com. Once you arrive at the homepage, click the Get Started for Free button to begin. After signing in, hover over the horn icon located on the left side of the screen and click on Email. In the Email section, go to the top right corner and select Create Email. When prompted to choose the form type, select the pop-up box option. Once you've chosen this, click Next in the top right corner of the screen to proceed. Now you'll be asked to name your email workspace. For example, you could name it something like Lawrence Business Email. After naming it, you'll be guided through several customization sections for your pop-up email. These include where users enter the information, options, automation, and preview. You can customize each part based on your needs. Once you've completed and reviewed all the pop-up settings, head to the top right corner and click Schedule to publish it.